I'm heading off to Hull University, where, as mad scientists tend to, they conduct research into countless everyday objects, such as the biscuit. Whether it's testing them under extreme pressure to help manufacturers with packaging, or igniting them to better illustrate the calorific content in food, I'm here for another reason, to explore what happens when we dunk a biscuit into something hot.
Oh, I got to wear glasses like you. There we are. How cool are these? This is a very important subject to me because there's nothing worse than that soggy debris at the bottom.
The sludge you
of the
get
cup.
at the end of the cup of tea.
The sludge. So what exactly happens when we dunk a biscuit into tea or hot water?
You've got to understand what a biscuit is, and biscuit is grains of starch all compacted together, and as you know, it's made with fat and sugar. That basically is the glue that holds it together. When you put it into water, the sugar and the fat starts to dissolve and the biscuit starts to fall apart. What you'll also see is when we put it in the water, the same way in which water comes up a plant, it will actually crawl up against gravity. Inside the biscuit, on a microscopic level, there are tiny holes that act just like that, like capillaries, and the water actually climbs up against gravity.
We're taking the nation's 10 favourite dunking biscuits, and by dunking them all within an inch of their lives, we'll arrive at Britain's strongest dunker.
Number one, the chocolate chip cookie.
We're timing it so we can compare it with the other ones. The fluid is drawing up.
It's over halfway. Oh, we've lost a chocolate chip.
First casualty.
That is a dunking disaster.
Ginger nut up next. Do you think this one's going to last a long time?
Yes, I think it'll last forever. Oh, heavens, that is going up really quickly.
That's the old capillary action I told you about.
Yeah.
Ooh. This is the hobnob. Let's go for it.
Look, straight away, crumbs cascading down, look. All that in the bottom of your cup, yuck. Oh, look. You'd end up eating that with a teaspoon.
It's time for the chocolate digestive. The chocolate formed a layer that helps hold it together. Ready with the custard cream?
Yeah, I'm always ready for a custard cream.
What we'll probably find with this one is the cream centre will act a bit like a glue to hold it together for longer. Next up, chocolate bourbon.
It's a slightly coarser crumb.
Mm-hmm. Digestive.
Yeah.
We all love a digestive. Complete dunking disaster.
That just doesn't work at all.
It's the rich tea. And the clock is ticking.
It's just going to sit there, isn't it? It hasn't moved at all.
Over 10 minutes now. Still going.
It feels like a wet bath mat.
The hobnob lasted a paltry 13 seconds.
I knew it.
And the king of the hill was the rich tea, which lasted well in excess of 10 minutes.
It's the safety biscuit.
The biscuit you can always rely on.